Hello friends, today I'm show you how you can cook the roti if you are alone at the home. Roti is a very popular and based dish in the subcontinent, India and Pakistan. So many boys can't cook roti himself. This is not a typical task. It's very easy to dough wheat flour. We need wheat flour and little water, just little quantity of salt and one bowl. We need these three things. If you want cook only two rotis, so we need only 1, 2 and 3 and 4 teaspoon wheat flour. It is enough for just 2 rotis. This flour is enough for 2 rotis. Okay. Now I will dough it without using my hand. Okay. First I will mix little quantity of salt in the wheat flour. Okay. Now I will add little quantity of water in this wheat flour. Okay. Now I will just move the teaspoon back side. You can see I am not using my hand. If I will use my hand will be very dirty and it will be adhesive with this wheat flour. So this is a very easy way to make roti at home. I am mixing as well, only just for 30 to 45 seconds. Okay, now this is in this form because the water has been mixed with the flour as well. Okay, now the second step, I will add some more water in this flour. Okay, I added the water. Now I am moving again. You are seeing this. It is happening more wet flour. You need to move only your hands. You don't need to put hand inside the wheat flour. Now it is ready to add the last step of water. Next. Now I will add some more water as per requirement. If you add too much quantity of water, it will be very wet and like a paste, like a thin paste. So don't need to add water too much. If you add water too much, it will create problem to make roti on the surface. Dough is ready. Now I will use my hand first and add some more water on the top of the dough. You can see in this condition. This dough is enough to cook two little rotis for one man. Now it needs to stay only for 15 minutes for develop its pace, and we can easily cook the roti. Wait 15 minutes, we'll be back. Okay, now the 10 minutes has been over, and now I will show you how we roll the wheat flour dough. You can see I'll put here, and we need some dry wheat flour on the surface. Okay, I need some dry flour. Now I will mix it as well. I'm mixing because this is very adhesive. Now it is able to roll very easily. First we need to make just like a ball by using your hands. Okay. Now this is the basic conditions. Now I will just press him by the hand. Don't use the roller before. Just spread the roti by the hand and make sure you are flipping it again and again. You can see this is spreading on the surface. There is some adhesive wheat flour we need to remove from. If you don't remove, it will create problems for your roti making process. Now it is ready to roll by the wooden roller of the, it's called in Pakistan melon, but you can call it roller. I roll with very low pressure. If I will put high pressure, it will is not better because high pressure cause adhesive wheat flour with the roller. I'm not putting very hard weight on the roller. I'm using very soft hand to spread the roti. You can see the shape is very well in round shape. This is now becoming a thin layer of the wheat flour. Now I need to use my hands. Now it's being more thin for cook better roti. You can see now this is in the shape of very thin layer of wheat flour. Now my stove is very hot. I will put it as well. Okay. Now you can see the smoke is emitting from the roti, it means it's ready to flip. Other side, you can see this condition, it means roti is ready. Just need some more second on the stove. You can see this is very well. Just flip again. Now it is giving a just little bubble of air. It means it's ready to cook. If you will cook more, it will turn in hard and you can cook the roti very easily. In this condition, this is a very soft roti. If you will cook more, it will be dry and the water will be vanished in the air and your roti will be very hard, like a biscuit. But we don't need that roti. We need a soft roti which you can turn. You need this roti. If you want to cook, not yet, you need this roti and fold in anything where air could not enter easily, like hot pots. So it is very well, you can cook easily. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel before leaving, and if you like my video, please like and share.